Hello everyone, good to see you on the channel how to use it. And in that video we learn about two functions. It's image and how to merge data from different cells. We can insert some image in a cell or over cell from our computer. For example, image in a cell, we can upload some image, use our camera by URL. For example, we can go to some websites, click copy image address, come back to our table and input link to that image. And we receive that image in that cell. So it's one way. But if we want to receive image with using function image, then we have to write the function image. In quote marks, I have to input the link to this image and I receive image with using that link in that way. And we have different settings for that formula. We can write after comma numbers 1, 2, 3 or 4. 1 it means in that way, it's basic. If we don't write this additional option, then we receive Thursday by default. But if we change that option to 2, we receive that result. I think you understand that it's stretching by the cell. And if I change it to 3, I received that result. Previously I worked with tables, with Google tables, and use some images during working with some website, with some online shop. I created folders and upload in that folders some photo of the goods, of the products that online shop was sold. And while I working with that table, I receive some name of that image. I know full path to the folder on that online website. So I will show you. Go to Amazon, copy image address. For example, I choose products. And we can see that all these pictures located in 2021 June, but have a different name because it's different products. So let's imagine that you know the folder there is located your images because you have created this folder. You know all names of that images. That's why you can copy name of these products and input in your table. For example, in that way, like I show you. So I know the whole path of my folder. I know the name of my images, and let's use some tricks for compare that information and show the image from that site in our table. So I start from that. If I write in that way, I receive the link as a result. But I know the image instead of link. That's why I write image. Enter. So I received image of that product. I have to freeze this cell, function F4, and after that I can pull it down to receive another image. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up to this video, subscribe to the channel and switch to next video in that playlist where we learn about Google Spreadsheets.